This is steamed rice rolls using a power steamer. This is a very popular street food in Hong Kong, China.
I had this in China before, so it's made the same way, using a big tray and then steaming it. I had these steamed rice rolls in China a while back, and these ones are almost the same except they have the broth in it. That's really delicious.
You're probably wondering how the steamed rice rolls are made. It's actually pretty simple. Rice and water is ground in this machine, and then more water is added to make the steamed rice roll. Steamed rice roll is a very popular street food here in southern China. So I'll be developing some new recipes for steamed rice rolls, and you can make this steamed rice roll with different toppings. So popular toppings including egg, beef brisket, pork, chicken, and also I like to add some green onions, and now also corn. So of course you're not going to have the power steam machine, but we're going to make our home version using a regular steamer. So stay tuned for this recipe in the near future. Thanks for checking out my video. Be sure to check out some of my other videos, and also be sure to subscribe. And if you get a chance, check out my other channel, the Chinese Cooking Channel, which was awarded the top 20 best Chinese food blogs in the world, and also awarded the top 40 best China YouTube channels in the world. Please subscribe to my channel by clicking over here.